magical encounter in the forest. Meena, a 9-year-old girl, standing in awe, eyes wide with wonder, reaching out towards a glowing blue light. Enchanted forest at night, surrounded by tall trees and shimmering leaves. Soft moonlight filtering through branches. Dreamy atmosphere filled with hope and magic.
A young girl gazing out of a small window. Meena, a 9-year-old girl standing on her tiptoes, wide-eyed with wonder, pointing towards a glowing blue light in the distance. An old forest outside the orphanage under a bright full moon. Nighttime with soft moonlight illuminating the scene. Magical and hopeful atmosphere. A young girl, Meena, wearing a small sweater and sandals, gazes in awe at a glowing golden staircase of light leading up to the moon. The dark forest surrounds her, with tall trees casting long shadows. It's a clear night, with twinkling stars. The atmosphere is magical and filled with hope. A magical night in the forest. Meena, a 9-year-old girl, kneeling by a small pond, gazing in awe at the shimmering water, eyes wide with wonder. Enchanted forest, moonlit night, surrounded by tall, illuminated trees. Soft silver light reflecting off the pond. Mystical atmosphere of discovery and hope. A staircase of shimmering blue light emerges from the center of a tranquil pond, spiraling upwards into the night sky. Meena, a 9-year-old girl, stands at the base, eyes wide with wonder and a hint of fear, one foot poised to step onto the light. The forest surrounds her, bathed in moonlight, with soft ripples on the water's surface. A serene atmosphere filled with magic and hope. Discovery in a magical world. Meena, a 9-year-old girl, standing in awe, wide-eyed with a joyful smile, gazing at a shimmering palace. Enchanted forest filled with talking flowers and dreamlike birds. Under a bright moonlit sky, soft, ethereal light illuminating the scene. Whimsical and hopeful atmosphere. Meena gazing into a golden mirror. Meena, a 9-year-old girl, standing in front of the mirror, wide-eyed.